Ever notice how a single flaw makes you ignore 100 strengths? Imagine you're considering someone for marriage. They're kind, successful, share your values, but then you hear one negative thing. Maybe their cousin had mental health struggles years ago. Suddenly, that single detail overshadows everything else. Your brain hits pause on all the good stuff. This happens with houses, investments, job offers too. One but derails your entire judgment. Here's why. Your brain processes negative info differently. Scientists call this negativity bias. Research shows negative experiences stick to our minds like Velcro, while positive ones slide off like Teflon. A study in the Review of General Psychology found that our brains react more strongly to bad news. We remember it longer, weigh it heavier. It's like your mind has a smoke detector screaming, "Danger!" over a tiny spark, ignoring the whole safe room around it. So how do we fight this glitch? Two practical steps. First, name the bias. When you're obsessing over a con, literally say, "My negativity bias is amplifying this." Just spotting the trick reduces its power. Second, zoom way out. Ask, if I look at this a year from now, how much will this flaw matter? Or compare scales. If you hear about 5 terror victims, also remember, 40 times more people die yearly in car crashes. Context shrinks false alarms. Don't let your brain's ancient wiring sabotage modern decisions. Spot the bias, widen the lens, and watch opportunities open up. This is Roddy Guy. We believe real change starts right here. We're all about results, not just motivation. If you think the same way, hit subscribe.